Hello.
So how would you describe your personal style?
My personal style, I think comfy casual. I'm always looking, no matter what I wear, it has to be comfortable.
Yeah.
And most of the time it's quite casual, I think.
Yeah.
So comfy casual.
I feel like your personal style has evolved from your 20s to now.
For sure. I think in my 20s I was still figuring out my style. Like, am I a bright color person or a subtle person? But yeah, I think a more classic style now than before.
What would you say are your most classic pieces? Something that you reach for very often. They're like the core essentials of your wardrobe.
This thing that I'm wearing, like basically this is these jeans are my go-to. Like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It works for casual.
super
it works
comfy.
for, super comfy. I think I can dress it up and down. So these are my go-to.
Nice.
Belts are generally like you need to have a good brown belt or a black belt, and I think a nice piece of beltery. Is that a word? I think a nice belt actually just helps tie an outfit together. So
Yeah,
this.
for sure.
A classic for me would probably be a jacket, like maybe that jacket, because the minute you put a jacket on, especially if it's something like a little tailored, it sort of elevates the outfit, even if it's like a casual white and denim. So a jacket. Of course, this isn't a classic, but I just like the body of this jacket. A tank top is a go-to with just jeans also. Like if you wear it with a pair of heels, it's kind of dressy and ready to go out. But if you just wear it with a pair of sneakers, it becomes a little sporty and it's comfortable.
100%.
So again, it's casual and it's comfortable, which is exactly my lane. So.
What's the one piece in your wardrobe that you've had the longest?
So the piece that I've had the longest, I think, is this denim jacket.
Yeah.
It's, I want to say 20 years old, and I think I was given this jacket in this size. It was too big for me back then. I'm still wearing it.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I'm finding it a little heavy these days.
Yeah. What's the funkiest piece in your wardrobe?
So the funkiest maybe is this sweater. But isn't it like instantly makes you feel happy?
It's very good.
It's like a hug in sweater form. Yeah, and it's a very pick-me-up in terms of mood. So this is probably the funkiest and happiest thing I have in my wardrobe. But the elegant version of that is probably this dress, which is also kind of like every single color.
Yeah, but it's beautiful.
But yeah, it's a very nice and flowy dress. So my other go-to is this jacket because I get cold, I run cold very easily. And so when I'm traveling, I have to have a jacket, and this has like a hoodie. Deep down, some part of me is one slightly hopeless romantic, where I feel it's cute to have like a sweatshirt or a jacket from your significant other. I think it started off like that, and then I just said this is mine now. Like it never went back. I can't even believe this sweater, but okay, yeah.
Heels or flats?
Both, but only 3-inch and above heels.
Dresses or jeans?
Both, because they're easy, but I'm more of a jeans person.
Yoga or running?
Yoga, I hate running.
Going out or staying in?
Going out, it's still going out.
Japanese food or Korean food?
Japanese food.
Morning or evening?
I used to be a morning person and now I've become an evening person.
Cute or edgy?
Cute.
White t-shirt or white shirt?
White t-shirt. Oh no, sorry, white shirt, damn it. But I love both, but if I had to choose between, like, how are you making me choose between a white t-shirt
That's
and
okay,
a
we're gonna launch a white
shirt?
t-shirt also, it's fine. Dramatic eyes or dramatic lips?
Dramatic eyes.
Filter coffee or espresso?
Tea, but like, I think
okay, nice.
but-
I didn't even give you the choice.
Yeah. But between the two, filter coffee. Yay! I love this or that. It makes me feel like I'm some celebrity on a talk show. Like,
Bye, Mana. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you so much for coming and talking about my style and my fashion. Thanks. Bye.